Finding out that your partner has cheated or that your partner has problematic sexual behaviors is devastating. I'm Angela Spearman, certified sex addiction therapist. I specialize in guiding betrayed partners through the trauma of the betrayal. In the work group that I run through Seeking Integrity, we're going to explore for you what exactly is a problematic sexual behavior, what is an addiction, why has this betrayal impacted you as much as it has. Maybe you're a parent and you're trying to figure out how to reduce the impact on your kids. Maybe you and your partner own a business together. Maybe you're about to retire. In this work group, you are going to learn strategies to help you navigate the emotional triggers that you're going to experience as you go through this process. We're going to explore what your strategies are to prepare for the potential triggers. And we're going to look at why this could be so impactful on you. Join this work group because in this work group, you don't have to walk this road alone anymore. This is a very difficult thing to talk about, and not everybody can understand what you're going through. In this space, you will be with people who get it, who get you, and who want to see you heal. That's what you'll